All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about how much I hate wheel spacers and aftermarket rims. All right, so wheel spacers. Do I think they're unsafe? You know, do I want you to go hit Eric the Car Guy's channel and yell at him for using wheel spacers? No. I hate them, however. If you use them, I'm not complaining. The problem is when you take it into a shop and you use cheap quality or the wrong lug nuts, but they are a pain in the butt to deal with. A wheel spacer off a Jeep behind you off camera that we are unfortunately having to put 4 new wheel spacers on. Why? Well, let's start with their cheap quality. These are eBay, Amazon specials, no name on them anywhere. Spend a little money, get some good stuff. It's still gonna be made in China, but to better quality. The reason I'm replacing them is a bunch of the studs are stretched. Why? 3 of them broke on me, taking them off, and another 5 or 6 will no longer tighten up because they're stretched. What happened is whoever installed the current lug nuts used the wrong lug nuts, so they put a lot of stress on the studs, already stressed out because, you know, they're spaced, and I can't tighten them up. I just can't. They won't tighten up. New correct lug nuts. You know, one of the few things Dorman actually still makes that's worth it is their lug nuts. You know, tried to torque them with a torque wrench, no go. We already replaced 2 of them because of the broken studs. Because, you know, of course they can't be a standard stud that you can just buy off the shelf. No, they got to be some weird proprietary stud that's a funky size. I don't got time for trying to find the exact stud size that fits these, so it's getting new wheel spacer. Initially, we were only doing the rear because that's where they broke. Put them on, went to reuse the 2 good ones on the front, stripped out. So he's getting all 4, unfortunately. Part of the reason why is he's got lift kit and stock rims with big old tires. Not a good combination, but we'll get to the rims in a second. Incorrect back spacing for the tires he wants to run. Instead of buying new rims, he put wheel spacers on there. Not the best situation. And then compounded it with using the wrong style lug nut. Not the factory style, funky aftermarket stuff. That doesn't work. All right, now aftermarket rims, especially Universal. You know, the ones that have like 16 holes on them, so you have to figure out where it actually mounts. They're not correctly sized for the vehicle. You know, the vehicle is, you know, hub-centric. It's not hub-centric. You got to buy an adapter. The adapters that always get lost, always. You know, I can't tell you how many aftermarket rims where I've taken them off the vehicle and found 1, maybe 2 on the vehicle. If you're gonna buy aftermarket rims, make sure they're specific to the vehicle you're putting them on, please. I know they're expensive, but buy good rims. Quit cheaping out. Buy rims that fit your vehicle. I don't mind them, even if I got to use the funky little adapter socket to get them on and off. If they fit, I'm happy. I don't care. It's when they don't fit well that sucks. I hope you enjoyed my little rant. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.